Good morning everyone. Your first question is given that sin A is equal to A upon B. Then cos A is how much? Okay. We know that sin square A, how much? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to how much? 1. So cos square A is equal to how much? 1 minus sin square A. That implies 1 minus of sin A is given is A upon B. So it is A square upon B square equal to, take B square as LCM. So it is B square minus A square. We have to find out cos A. So cos A is how much? Root over of B square minus A square upon B square. That is equal to how much? Square root of B square minus A square upon B. Your option B. That is B square minus A square root over upon B. In this way you can calculate. Otherwise, as sin A is given how much? Sin A is equal to how much? A upon B. The sin A, you know, that is P by H is equal to how much? A by B. Then you apply Pythagoras theorem, that is H square is equal to P square plus B square. From this you can calculate B is okay. Then cos A is how much? B upon H. Okay, and you get the same answer. कोई भी मेथड आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं, इसमें से निकाल सकते हैं या इस प्रोसीजर से भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, if sin A is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos B is equal to 1 upon 2, then A plus B. Okay, sin A, how much? Sin A is equal to 1 upon 2. That means sin A is equal to sin of how much? 30 degree. Implies A is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, cos of B is equal to 1 upon 2. That means cos of B is equal to cos of how much? 60 degree. That implies B is equal to 60 degree. We have to find out A plus B. So A plus B is equal to how much? 30 plus 60. That is equal to 90 degree. Option D. Okay. Next, sin of 30 degree plus cos of 30 minus sin of 60 plus cos of 60 is how much? It's very easy, simple. Sin of 30 is how much? Sin of 30 is 1 upon 2 plus cos of 30. That is how much? Root 3 upon 2. Okay. Minus sin of 60. That is root 3 upon 2 plus cos of 60 is 1 upon 2. Okay. Is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus of root 3 upon 2 minus of 1 upon 2. Half minus half get cancelled. Root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2 get cancelled. Your answer is 0. So option B. Okay. Next, if the value of cos A is equal to 4 upon 5, then 10A. We have to find out 10A. We know that how much? 1 plus 10 square A is equal to how much? Sec square A. Okay, you can write 10 square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Again, sec is how much? 1 upon cos. So 1 upon cos square A minus of 1. That is equal to 1 upon cos square A. Cos A is given as 4 upon 5. So reverse it. That means 5 upon 4 square minus of 1. That is equal to 25 upon 16 minus 1 is equal to how much? 25 minus 16 upon 16 equal to 9. That is equal to 9 upon 16. Or that is 10A is how much? square root of 9 upon 16, that is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay. So your 10a is how much? 10a is equal to 3 upon 4, option B. Your next question is, if 4 10a is equal to 3, then 4 sin a minus cos a upon 4 sin a plus cos a is how much? Okay. So first dividing both numerator, okay, both numerator and denominator by how much? Cos a. Okay, so we can get how much? 4 sin a minus of cos a divided by cos of a all divided by 4 of sin a plus cos a divided by cos a. From this, 4 sin a upon cos a is how much? 4 of 10a minus cos a upon cos a, that is 1, upon 4 sin a upon cos a is again 4 10 of a plus 1, and 4 10a is given as how much? 3. So that is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 4, or is equal to 1 upon 2. So your option C, 1 upon 2. Next, if sin theta is equal to 1 by 3, then the value of 2 cot square theta plus 2 is how much? Okay, sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so cos square theta is how much? 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 square is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 9 is equal to 9 minus 1 upon 9, 8 by 9, or you can say cos theta is how much? Cos theta is root over of 8 upon 9, that is 2 root 2 upon 3. Okay, now we have to find out cot of theta. So cot of theta is how much? Cot of theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, that is equal to 2 root 2 by 3 upon 1 upon 3 is how much? That is 2 root 2. Okay, next we have to find out her 2 cot square theta plus 2. So is equal to 2 into cot square theta is 2 root 2 square plus 2. That means 2 is 8 into 2, that is 16, plus 2, that is equal to 18. Okay, so your option C is correct answer. Okay, next question is here, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, sin A is 7 by 25. Suppose this is right angle triangle, right angle at B, this A, B. Sin A is 7 by 25. Sin A, this is sin A means opposite side by hypotenuse, that means BC is how much? 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Okay, we have to find out cos of C. So apply Pythagoras theorem. So that is AC square, that is 25 square is equal to AB square plus 7 square. Okay, that implies AB square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square is equal to how much? 625 minus 49 is equal to 15 minus 576. Okay, so AB is how much? It's equal to square root of 576, that is equal to 24. So we have to find out cos of C. So cos of C is how much? This is cos C. That means adjacent side is our 7 and then hypotenuse 7 upon 25. Okay, this side is your 24. So cos C is 7 by 25, option A. Next, sec theta when expressed in terms of cot theta is equal to. We have to express sec theta in terms of cot theta. Okay, so sec theta from the identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is how much? We can write 1 upon cot square theta. Yes, that is equal to, take cot square theta as LCM. So here it is cot square theta plus 1. That implies sec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta. Or we can write sec theta is how much? Square root of cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta. That is equal to how much? Cot square theta plus 1 square root upon cot theta. It is given in option number C, 1 plus cot square theta square root divided by cot theta, option C. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.